In this video, we'll cover how to stop a recurring payment on the Capitec app. I'll try to keep this one short and sweet. When I'm talking about a recurring payment, I mean an Amazon subscription, an Apple TV subscription, so forth. Those are the ones I can think of off the top of my head. And in order to not waste time, you cannot cancel a recurring subscription on the Capitec app. Any video that is telling you you can is lying to you for clicks and views. The only way to cancel it is to contact that specific company. So for me personally, I had an Apple TV subscription that I needed to cancel. It was a free trial, 7 days, and I had to phone in to cancel it. Or of course, hopefully there's an easier way on whatever app you are trying to cancel. But yes, you need to deal with that from that service provider, not from Capitec. So I hope you found that helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can be subscribed to a channel that always tries to bring you the facts. Don't forget to hit like, and I'll see you in the next video.